I'm currently in Lagos, right? And from what I've seen on Airtel's website, there is actually 5G in, I think, almost everywhere in Lagos. You can actually check this yourself. If you want to find out if there is 5G in your area, go to Airtel's website, right? I'm going to leave a link to that page. There is a place where you can enter your address, and then you can toggle between 5G, 4G, 3G. Basically, you get to select different options and see the map of your area to see if 5G is available there or if 4G is available there, pretty much. So find out for your area. In fact, some of the things I talked about in that video, you can easily find out about them as well by going to Airtel's website, calling Airtel's customer support team, or just checking in at the nearest store where they sell devices, right?